Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the third video lecture on functions of two and more variables. In this video we solve some problems which are very important for your exam on the partial differentiation. First problem, if f of xy is equals to tan inverse of x by y, find dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y and verify dou square f by dou x dou y equals to dou square f divided by dou y dou x. So that means here we need to find the partial differentiation of this function with respect to x and with respect to y. Also dou square f by dou x equals to dou y and dou square f by dou y equals to dou square f by dou y into dou x. Okay, so first let us write the given function. Given f is equals to tan inverse of x by y. Obviously it is a function of x and y, that is two variables. Okay, so this we differentiate first partially with respect to x, then with respect to y. So you may consider this as equation 1. So to just highlight the function. Okay, so differentiating partially with respect to x, so I will write here differentiate partially with respect to x. So while partially differentiating with respect to x, we need to treat y as a constant, right? So you must remember this in your mind, that is while differentiating partially with respect to one variable, we need to treat another variable as a constant. Okay, now so partial differentiation representation is dou f by with respect to x, therefore it is dou f by dou x. It is equals to, see here it is a function of that is it is composite function, that is tan inverse of x by y. So first we need to write the differentiation of this tan inverse, then x by y differentiation. Okay, we know that tan inverse x differentiation is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, therefore we have to write 1 divided by 1 plus, in the place of x we have x by y, therefore instead of writing x square we write x square by y square, into we have to write differentiation of this x by y with respect to x only. So that means we need to treat this y as constant, therefore 1 by y taken outside, x differentiation is 1. Okay, I repeat, we are differentiating partially with respect to x, so therefore we have to treat y as a constant. Okay, so first we have to write tan inverse differentiation. We have tan inverse x differentiation is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So therefore writing in this form, instead of x we have x by y, therefore replacing x by y we get x square divided by y square here, into we have to write x by y differentiation with respect to x. Okay, so 1 by y being constant, we have to write x differentiation is 1. So why this 1 by y constant? Because we are differentiating partially with respect to x, therefore y becomes constant. Okay, now this can be simplified as, in the denominator we take y square LCM. So on taking y square LCM we get y square plus x square, into this 1 by y we keep as it is. Now y square goes to the numerator, denominator y square plus x square into 1 by y, one term of y get cancels, we get y divided by x square plus y square. So that is, we got dou f by dou x value equals to y divided by x square plus y square. You may highlight this term by giving name, that is equation 2, right? Now we also need this dou f by dou y, we will find this later on. So here we need dou square f by dou x dou y and dou square f dou y by dou x. So that means to get this dou y by dou x, dou square f by dou y into dou x value, we have to differentiate this dou f by dou x partially with respect to y. So that means as it is partial differentiation with respect to x, so if I again differentiate this partially with respect to differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to y. Okay, if I differentiate with respect to s, we get dou square f by dou x square, but in the verification we need this one, therefore we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. Okay, so differentiating partially this, we get dou by dou y. This is partial differentiation, we are differentiating this function, therefore dou f by dou x, it is equals to, now you can observe that it is u by v form because we are differentiating partially. Remember that we need to treat x as constant here. Okay, so here x being constant, but in the numerator and denominator we have y term, so therefore we have to treat this as u by v function. Okay, so we have the formula for u by v as denominator whole square. So here numerator, keep denominator as it is, differentiate numerator, that is y differentiation with respect to y is 1 minus, now y as it is, this x square plus y square differentiation we have to write. So x square differentiation becomes 0 because we are differentiating with respect to y, and y square differentiation is 2y. So further simplifying this one, we get x square plus y square minus y into 2y is 2y square, denominator as it is. So thus we get, so this one becomes dou square f divided by dou y into dou x equals to x square minus 2y square plus y square is minus y square, denominator as it is. So you can highlight this one as equation 3. Okay, now so now we got this RHS term. Okay, next we need to find this term and this dou f by dou y. For this we have to differentiate this partially with respect to y. Okay, so now differentiate equation 1, that is given function with partially with respect to y. So here x becomes constant, right, because we are differentiating with respect to y. Now see here, this is the given function. Okay, so now differentiating this with respect to y, we get dou f by dou y equals to, see here we are differentiating with respect to y. First we have to write tan inverse differentiation, that is 1 divided by 1 plus x square plus y square, into here we have to write this x by y differentiation with respect to y. So that is we are differentiating with respect to y, x to be taken outside because it is constant. Okay, now we have to write 1 by y differentiation. 1 by y differentiation is minus 1 divided by y square, because we know that 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Okay, replacing x by y we get minus 1 by y square. Now further simplifying this one, we get, so see here in the denominator again we can take y square LCM. Here we get y square plus x square into this minus x by y square as it is. So here y square goes to numerator, we get y square divided by y square plus x square into minus x by y square. This y square get cancelled, so we get dou f by dou y is equals to minus x divided by x square plus y square. So take this as equation 4. Now again differentiating this equation 4, equation 4 partially with respect to, so see here already we have differentiate partially with respect to y. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. So here y becomes constant. Okay, if you write like this, so you will be clear that here y is constant. Okay, now dou f by dou y. So we are differentiating with respect to x, that means dou by dou x of this function, that is dou f by dou y. So again you can observe that both the numerator and denominator contains x terms. Okay, so that means again we have to take this as u by v function. Okay, so minus taken to be outside here, denominator square as it is. Okay, first denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator, that is 1 minus, so see here numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator, that is x square plus y square, differentiation with respect to x is 2x. Okay, now denominator square as it is. Now multiply this minus sign to this, we get this becomes minus x square minus y square, minus into minus plus x into x, 2x square divided by x square plus y square whole square. Okay, so therefore 2x square plus x square is, sorry, minus x square is x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. So here it becomes dou square f divided by dou x into dou y. So highlight this equation, that is consider this as equation 5. Now from equation 3 and equation 5 you can observe that, so here this is the equation 3. Here also we have x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. Also this equation 5 also same, that is square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. So that means from equation 3 and 5 it is clear that dou square f divided by dou x dou y is equals to dou square f divided by dou y dou x. Okay, second problem. So this is very important for your upcoming exam. If f of x comma y equals to x raised to y plus y raised to x, then show that dou square f by dou x into dou y equals to dou square f by dou y into dou x. So here also we have to find the same things, that is dou square f by dou x dou y and dou square f by dou y dou x, then you can verify that one. Okay, so here first we must recall the two formulas here, that is we have in the ordinary differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1, right? Also differentiation of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. The difference between these two, that is here x is a function, n power is constant, but here base is constant but power is function. Okay, so in these two, so here we use these two formulas here. Okay, so when power x base is function and power is constant, we use this formula, and x is, sorry, that base is constant and power is function, then we use this formula. Okay, solution. So first write the given function f of x comma y is equals to x raised to y plus y raised to x. So see here, first we need dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y values, then only we can get these two values. Okay, for that first we differentiate this function partially with respect to x. So differentiating partially with respect to x, with respect to x, so here y becomes constant, right? So you can observe that dou f by dou x is equals to. So you keep in mind that we are differentiating with respect to x, y is constant. So first term you observe that here we are differentiating x, so this becomes function and numerator power becomes constant. So therefore we have to apply this formula, that is so x raised to y formula, that is it becomes y x raised to y minus 1. For next term, here now the base is constant but power is function, therefore we should apply this formula. Okay, it is in the form a raised to x, but instead of a we have y, so therefore it is y raised to x into log y, that's it. So consider this as equation 2. Okay, now again differentiate with respect to y to get this term. Okay, so that is differentiating to partially with respect to y here, because already we have done x. Okay, so here we have to treat x as constant, right? So now we get dou by dou y into dou f by dou x is equals to, so here you can observe that we are differentiating with respect to y, this both term contains y, it is in the uv form. Again here also we get uv form. Okay, so be careful while differentiating. Okay, so first we apply uv formula for this term, then for this. Okay, so first we apply this term, y first function as it is, differentiation of second function. So second function you can observe that here base is constant and power is function. Okay, so that base is constant means we should apply this formula, so that is x raised to y minus 1 as it is, log of a means log of x, plus now v as it is, that is x raised to y minus 1 as it is, differentiation of y is 1. So this term is completed. Okay, now come to the second term. Again for this term also same formula, y raised to x, so it is in the form x raised to n, so y raised to x differentiation x, y raised to x minus 1. Okay, so keep second function as it is. Sorry, we have here I have differentiated first function, so you can keep second function as it is, that is log y. Now in the second I will keep this y raised to x as it is. Now log y differentiation is 1 by y. Okay, now so here in these two terms you can observe that x raised to y minus 1 is common, so on taking outside we get y log x here plus 1. So even in this also y raised to x minus 1, so on taking this y term to the numerator, here power bases are same, powers can be added, we get x minus 1, power x minus 1. So therefore on taking y power x minus 1 we get x log y here plus 1, right? So this is here it is equals to dou square f by dou y dou x value. Consider this as equation 3. Okay, now we again differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, so here x being constant, right? So equation 1 is this one. Okay, that is given function. So with respect to y means, so here equation 1 is this one, partially with differentiating with respect to y we get dou f by dou y. Okay, we are differentiating with respect to y. Okay, so it is in the form a raised to x, so a raised to x differentiation we have a raised to x into log a, that is log x, plus here it is x raised to n form, therefore x into y raised to x minus 1. So consider this as equation 4. Now again we differentiate this one partially with respect to x. Okay, so here y being constant. So again it is in the uv form, here also it is uv form because both terms contains x terms. So therefore applying uv formula we get dou by dou x of dou f by dou y is equals to, so it is x raised to y as it is log x differentiation 1 by x plus log x as it is x raised to y differentiation is y into x raised to y minus 1 plus come to this term, okay, x as it is y raised to x minus 1 differentiation, it is in the a raised to x form. So therefore a raised to x means this function as it is into we have to write log y plus y raised to x minus 1 as it is, here x differentiation is 1. Further simplifying this one here, so on simplifying this term, so on taking this x to the numerator it becomes x power minus 1. So power bases are same, powers can be added, we get x power y minus 1. Here also we have x power y minus 1, it can be taken outside common. So here you will get 1 plus y log x plus here we can take y raised to x minus 1 common from these two terms, we get x log y plus 1. So this is equation, consider this as equation 5. Here LHS are dou square f by dou x dou y. You can observe that equation 3 and 5 are same, that is this equation 3 is same, that is similar to this equation 5. Okay, you can observe this one, that is, so you can observe that equation 3 and 5 both are same. Okay, so we can conclude that these two terms are equal. Okay, that is from equation 3 and 5 we get dou square f by dou x dou y is equals to dou square f by dou y into dou x. Okay, next problem, if u equals to tan inverse of y by x, then show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals to 0. First we have to find the partial derivative with respect to x, then we find the second order differentiation. Okay, solution, given u equals to tan inverse of y by x, let us consider this as equation 1. So differentiating this partially with respect to x, we get, so dou u by dou x equals to, so here we are differentiating with respect to x, treat y as constant, tan inverse of y by x, so 1 divided by, so first we have to write tan inverse x differentiation, that is 1 plus y square plus x square into y by x differentiation with respect to x, y becomes constant, we have to write 1 by x differentiation, that is 1 by minus 1 by x square. Further simplifying this one we get, so same denominator, we take x square LCM, here we get x square plus y square into minus y by x square. Okay, or it can be written as x square goes to numerator, x square divided by x square plus y square into minus y by x square get cancels, we get dou u by dou x is equals to minus y divided by x square plus y square. So you can highlight this equation. Okay, now again differentiating with respect to x itself, because here we have denominator x square, dou x square, therefore we differentiate this with respect to x only. Okay, so now we get again differentiating partially with respect to x only. Okay, we get dou, here we get dou by dou x, dou u by dou x. Okay, so here numerator doesn't contains x term. Okay, only denominator contains x terms, therefore we can directly differentiate this one. That is minus y being constant, it can be taken outside. We write 1 divided by x square plus y square differentiation. Okay, so 1 divided by x square plus y square differentiation is, it is in the by 1 by x form, therefore it is 1 by x square plus y square whole square. 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square, therefore so in the place of x we have x square plus y square, therefore we write minus 1 divided by 1 x square plus y square whole square into, we have to write differentiation of this one, that is x square differentiation 2x, y square differentiation is 0. So therefore it is equals to minus into minus plus 2xy denominator x square plus y square divided by whole square. So this is dou square u by dou x square value. Okay, consider this as equation 3. Next, so again we now we differentiate given function, that is equation 1, partially with respect to y. So here we treat x as constant. Okay, so equation 1 is this one, u equals tan inverse of y by x. Its differentiation is dou f by dou y equals to 1 divided by tan inverse differentiation is 1 plus y square by x square into, we have to write y by x differentiation with respect to y. So here 1 by x being constant, y differentiation is 1. Simplifying this one we get, so here we take x square LCM we and take sending to the numerator, it becomes x square divided by x square plus y square into 1 by x, one term x get cancels, we get dou f by dou y value is equals to x divided by x square plus y square. Consider this as equation 4. Now again we differentiate this equation with respect to y itself. Okay, again differentiating we get dou by dou y of dou f by dou y is equals to, so here also in the numerator we have only x term, that means it is constant. Okay, we can directly differentiate by taking constant outside, that is x is constant, we take it outside. Differentiation of this function, that is we have again 1 by x form, so therefore its differentiation is minus 1 by x square plus y square whole square into, we have to write this differentiation of this term, that is x square differentiation 0, y square differentiation is 2y. So simplifying we get minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square. Consider as this as equation 5. Okay, so here we get dou square by dou y square. Okay, now from the equation 3 and 5 we can observe that these two both terms are same, so that is equation, this equation 3 and equation 5 almost same, but only the difference in sign. Okay, so adding these two, equation 3 and 4, we get, adding equation 3 and 5 we get dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square is equals to 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square equals to 0. So which is the required proof. Okay, so thus we can write dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square is equals to 0.